Alright, Tesla fam, let's get straight to it, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to enable Tesla speed limit warning, guys. So first, you want to jump in your Tesla and tap on the controls icon located at the bottom of your touchscreen. This will open up a menu with various settings, guys. So then you want to navigate to safety and security, okay? Just touch security, and then you want to tap it to access more safety features, okay? Now, once you're in the safety settings, you want to scroll down until you find this option right here. Find the speed limit mode option, okay? You want to turn this on, you want to toggle this on. So this is where you can actually set up your speed limit warning. So once you tap on speed limit mode to enable it, you can also choose to turn on the speed limit warning feature, which, guys, will alert you when you exceed the set speed limit, guys, okay? And then, guys, after enabling it, okay, you will actually have the option to set your desired speed limit, guys. Just enter the speed you want to be alerted about. This can be the legal speed limit for the roads you frequently travel. And once you have, guys, set up your desired speed, make sure everything looks good and just tap save to confirm your settings, guys. Now that you have everything set up, guys, take your Tesla for a drive and see how the speed limit warning works, guys. You'll see notifications if you exceed the speed limit you set. And that's it, guys. Now you're all set to drive safely with a Tesla speed limit warning enabled. For more ways to upgrade your ride even further, guys, check out that link in the description. Until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next